In this video, I will show you how to make this flower bikini top or just bra for your doll. Let's get started. To make this bikini top, you will need lace cotton yarn. I will use Melissa Perle number 8, 2 millimeters crochet hook, scissors and needle, and optionally you can use some tiny beads and also thread and needle to embroider some beads inside your flowers. Start making a magic ring. And inside this magic ring we will make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now close this hole and we will go directly to the first stitch, but we will work just in back loop. So instead of working through both loops, we will just work here in this back part. And in this round number 2, we will work 6 increases. So in every stitch, every back loop, we will just make 2 single crochet. So in this first stitch, we will make stitches number 1 and 2. In the next one, remember only back loop, we will make stitches number 3 and 4. Okay, in the next one, just back loop 5 and 6. In the next one, 7 and 8. In the next one, 9 and 10. And in the last one, 11 and 12. Okay, now round number 3, we will work again only in back loop. In the first stitch we will make an increase, so our stitches number 1 and 2, but in the next one we will work just 1 single crochet, so just back loop, 1 single crochet, stitch number 3. In the next one again an increase, so my stitch number 4 and 5, and in the next one just 1 single crochet, stitch number 6. Again an increase, so 7 and 8, and in the next one stitch number 9, and just continue working like this until you make 18 stitches. After round number 3 we have 18 stitches. Next round number 4 we will work an increase in our first stitch, just back loop, so stitches number 1 and 2, but in the next 2 stitches we will work just 1 single crochet. So here our stitch number 3, and in the next one stitch number 4. Again in the next stitch we will make an increase, so stitch number 5 and 6 in the same place, and in next 2 stitches just single crochet. So our stitches number 7 and 8, and continue working like this, 1 increase and 2 single crochet until you make 24 stitches. So after round number 4 we have 24 stitches all over, and now we will make a chain of 31. Okay, I made a chain of 31, and now starting from the second chain from the hook, I will just make slip stitches in every chain. So I will have 30 slip stitches. This is how it looks like. And right now I will make one more slip stitch here inside this stitch where we started. Here we go. And now I will make also just in back loop an increase, and in next 3 stitches just back loop I will make single crochet. So 1, 2 and 3, and make one more single crochet, so single crochet number 4 here. Right now again I will make exactly the same stripe like this one, so I will chain 31, and again starting from the second chain from the hook I will make 30 slip stitches to the end of this chain. And again I will make one more slip stitch here in this first stitch as we started, in the same stitch as we started, and I will make one more slip stitch in the next one, just back loop, and now I can chain 1, cut this yarn and weave in the ends, and this is what we have right now, and this will be one of the cups of our bikini top. So right now make another piece exactly the same way, and in a moment when you have both of them we will start to make petals. I've made my second cup, so this is what I have already. We will join them in the end, but now we will work on our petals. So we will just take one of them, take your yarn, make a slip knot, okay, and I will insert my yarn into the first, this front loop, okay, so you can see it. I guess it will be this one. I will use my needle here. Okay, so this is the first front loop we left in the center here. So now here we will insert our yarn, and we will work just in these front loops that we left to create petals. Okay, it's a little bit tricky to start, but don't worry, later it will be easier. So I will insert my yarn here, chain 1, and we will start to work in the same place. So here I will make a single crochet, and in the same place I will make a double crochet. Okay, so this is one part of my petal. Now I will go to the next place, to the next stitch, and here I will make first a double crochet, okay, and in the same place I will make a slip stitch, and this will be my first petal of this cup. Now I will go to the next space, so here to this front loop I will make a single crochet, and in the same place a double crochet, go to the next space, make a double crochet, and in the same place make a slip stitch. So we have 2 petals already, and now just keep going all over as our spiral of front loops goes. So I will show you once more. I will start in the next space, and here I will make single crochet, double crochet in the same place, go to the next one, make here first double crochet, and finish in the same place with slip stitch. So just keep going all over until you have space, and I will show you how to finish our cup. I've just reached my last space, so as you can see how it looks like. I made my last petal here just on this last strap, and now I will just make a slip stitch somewhere here between stitches. I can cut this yarn okay, so this is how it looks like. I will later embroider here some beads, but as you can see it's optional because it looks really nice like it is. Just weave in these ends and repeat all the process for the next cup. Both of my flower cups are ready. This is how they look like from behind. And now before I join them, I will put some beads inside. So I will just sew a few of them here in the center to create centers of my flowers. I will put maybe 5 or 6. I will see. But as I said, this is optional. You can just leave your flowers as they are. Okay, as you can see, I sewed only 3, but I like how they look like. So I will finish with just 3 beads inside, and I will repeat the same process in the other cup. And now the last thing we have to do is to join these 2 parts together. I will just sew them, so cut quite short piece of thread, your yarn, and I will put it like this, and I will just sew these 2 stitches together. I guess it will be okay. I will make a knot here. Later I will just weave in these ends, but here I guess I will join two more. So just repeat this process as many times as you need. Check from the front side how your bra will look like. Okay, I guess it will be okay. So I will just make another knot. So as you can see, you just need a short piece of yarn to join it. Okay, so now just weaving these 2 ends and your bra is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.